Namaste students, welcome to your online math class. Today topic as well as decimal. So already we know that how to do the decimal addition, subtraction, multiplication and decimal also. So now we are observe add, sub, multiple and division of decimals. So first Roman simplification. Simplification means we want to reduce the given question. So between what sign have means addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, whatever have we can implement that notation process. Okay, the first question 2.5 plus 1 3, that means 13.2 plus 1.03. How to add? So as well as that first number we want to write as well as same. So decimal numbers we want to add, sub, multiple means first of all write the decimal numbers according to their place values first of all. Then put 0 if necessary to complete the required number of decimal places. That is must. Correct. So that first number 2.5 as well as we want to write. Then second number 13.2. So hereafter first of all we want to put the point. Point means and the point near point put ponnu. Then point before number 3, after number 2 we want to write that remaining number 1 have, that also we want to write in front of 3. Okay, next another number 1.03 as well as first of all we want to towards to put the point, then before number 1 after number 0 remaining number we want to fill. Correct. So now you see, so the decimal numbers we want to write according to their place, then we want to put 0 in necessary place. Correct. So you look the given question, first of all we want to write. Correct. Then according to the places we want to implement 0. Correct. This place have 0, this place also we want to 0, that also. So according my choice we want to keep the 0. Then we as well as we should add 0 plus 3 3. Correct. Next 5 plus 2 7, as well as you keep the point. Then 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. Next 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Correct, we get 1. So answer is 16.73. So do you understood students? These rules and regulation already we know that first of all given question addition or subtraction, first of all we want to write their place values, then put 0 if necessary to complete the required places. Okay. Then as well as we want to add, we get the solution. One more question. That's again 23.76 minus 1.235. We know that the process point after numbers we want to read in single digit. Why? Because that for the rules. Point after, point before we want to read as well as thousands, hundreds, something. So point after numbers, before numbers we want to read as well as after number we want to read single digit. Point after 76 minus 1.235, that is the procedure. Okay, next. So in between have subtraction sign, so we want to subtract that question. Correct. So how to subtract? First of all, we want to write the first number 23.76. Hereafter, subtract that second number 1.235. So, first of all, you keep the point in towards to that point. Then, point before number 1, after number 2. First of all, we want to write. Then, remaining numbers we want to write. Correct. So, 2 after 3. 3 after 5. So, enough. So, now we want to subtract that number. So, we keep the 0 in necessary place, So, this place is empty, So, this place we put 0. That also for my convenience we want to put 0. Correct? For 0 minus 5, that is impossible. So, you borrow that numbers means this convey to 10. These numbers get 5. Correct? For 10 minus 5 as well as we get 5. 5 in the mind. 10 in the mind. 5 in the fingers. So, 10 before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So, outcome is 5. Correct. Then, 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 0, 2. Correct. So, we get 22.525. That is the solution. Do you understood, student? Next, third one. 4.2 into 7.3. 4.2 multiple of 7.3. So, multiple means we know that the procedure. First of all, given question, we didn't consider the decimal point as well as product of that number. Correct? This is product of 2-digit numbers, 7, 3. 2-digit numbers, So, first of all, product of 3 means 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Correct? Then, hereafter, product of 7, 7 2s are 14. 14 means 4 is the ones place. We want to write. Then, remaining 1 have. 7 4s are 28. This remaining one you should add means we get 29. Correct? So, you keep 29. Then, we want to add, we know that the procedure for 6 as well as 4 plus 2, 6, 6, 9 plus 1, 10. You keep 0 is a ones place. Remaining 1 you keep here. 1 plus 2, 3. So, we get 3066. How to implement the decimal points? Yes. We get 3066. This given question, point after one number, this point after one numbers. Totally 2 numbers have. So, back to front. You keep the point, First of all, given question, product and decimal as well as, you forget that points as well as product of that numbers, decimal also. Then, we keep the point in solution, So, how to do means, the given question, point after numbers, how many have, you count first of all. So, point after 1. Here, point after 1. 1 plus 1, 2 numbers. Correct? So, we got the solution. Back to front. You keep 2 numbers before. 1, 2. Before you keep here means 30.66. That is the solution. 30.66. Do you understood, students? Then, one more question. 2.546 divided by 2. So now you see, this is decimal division. Division of decimal we want to do means forget the decimal numbers, sorry, decimal point. So the given number 2546 divided by 2, first of all you keep the proper places, then as well as you divided, how many 2 have in 2, 1 2s are 2, correct. 2 minus 2 we get 0. Next numbers comes down 5, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1. Next numbers keep means that is considered 14. So how many 2s are 7 2s are 14, we know that. So you keep 14. 14 minus 14 we get 0. Next numbers we comes down means 6. How many times have 2? 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 we get 0. We get the solution 1273. Correct. Then we want to implement the decimal, how to do. So as well as we know that the rule, the given question, how many decimal numbers have you check. So that means point after how many numbers have. Point after 1 2 3, 3 numbers have. So back to front, 3 numbers before you keep the point, 1 2 3. 3 numbers before you keep the point means 1.273. That is the solution. Do you understood, students? I hope you understood, I think. Then one more question. Simplify 2.7 plus 3.06 minus 1.23. So this addition and subtraction together, So first of all, addition numbers, first 2 numbers is addition, So first of all we want to add that first 2 numbers, correct. So first of all you take 2.7 plus 3.06, as well as you keep the numbers in correct place values. Then we want to add 6 as well as 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 2 5. Directly you keep the point. So 5.76 we got, again you subtracted 1.23. How to do? As well as that we get the solution. First of all we want to write, then one more numbers is given, subtraction minus of 1.23. that numbers direct towards to the point, then before and after number you want to write, then remaining numbers you should write. Now we want subtracted that question. 6 minus 3 3, 7 minus 2 5, 5 minus 1 4. So 4.53, that is the solution. Do you understood, student? 4.53, that is the solution. Next, second one, 5.43 plus 1.06 plus 4.20. We want to add that all the numbers, correct. So how to add? So we know that the rules, the given numbers, first of all we want to write the correct place values. So first numbers 5.43 as well as we want to write. Then second one towards to the point, then before and after number we want to write, then hereafter remaining number you want to write, as well as that third one also. All the one is addition, So third one also same towards to the point, then before and after number, then remaining number we want to write. Correct. Then we should add here. How to add? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Why? We know that the rule, 0 plus something we get that same numbers. That is one of the rule we by God that previous lessons. Then 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Correct. Then you keep the point. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus, 5 plus 5, 10. So outcome is 10.69. That is the solution. Do you understood? I hope. Then one more question. You observe 2.576 plus 10.2 plus 4. So first two numbers is a decimal. That third one is that whole numbers. So how to add? That is impossible. Why? Because that 4 is the whole numbers. So we want to add in decimal numbers only for the decimal, first two numbers keep the point, have the point, So as well as first two numbers is a decimal numbers. Okay, fourth one we should change. How to change? 3 is a whole numbers means we convert to the decimal numbers means 3 after you keep the point, put 0. That is the decimal numbers. Okay. So first two numbers is a decimal. The third one we want to convert means 4 after you keep the point, then add to 0. That is decimal we should consider. Correct. So now you write that given question. First of all we want to write the first number 2.576. Then next number towards to the point, first we keep here, then point before and after number we want to write. That is correct methodology. Then remaining number we want to write, 0 before 1 have you keep here. Correct. Then third one 4.0, as well as point you keep here. Then before and after number we want to write. Then you see, now we want to add, So according to the place we want to put the 0. Okay, so this place is empty, you keep 0. Okay, then this place also empty, you keep 0. That also same. Okay, now we want to add, 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 2 7. Keep the point. 4 plus 2 6, 0 plus 1 1. Outcome is 16.776. Do you understood? I believe it. Okay, 16.776 is the solution. Then fourth question, 1 not 10. Okay, correct. 10.2506 into 100. So the given numbers product of 100 means we know that the multiplication rules, So multiple of 100 means 3-digit numbers. Correct. So according my choice, 0 into 6, 0, 0 into everything, 0. So how many numbers have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 into 6 numbers, you keep 6 zeros. Then these numbers also same. 0 into 6 numbers, you keep 6 zeros. Then 1 into 6 6, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Now we want to add, as well as keep 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 0, 5, 2, 0, 1. We get some numbers. Now we want to keep the point, So point after 4 numbers have. So point back to front 4 numbers before you keep the point, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers before you keep the point means these two last two zeros point after two zeros have means that is no meaningless. Correct? Appo we get 1025.06. This is one of the way of methodology. Then another one way, 10.2506 into 100 means as well as give product of the numbers finally have zeros means first of all we want to write 0. So on the ones place, tens place, thousands place zeros have means first of all you keep 0 first, then number only you take product of that numbers 1 into something that same numbers. Correct? So now you see point after 4 numbers have, so back to front 4 numbers before you keep the point. Correct? So now you see that point after last two zeros is a meaningless, so that is rejected. Correct? Now you take 1025.06 here and here, that is same way according to your choice. This one is a better, I think. Correct? So you should follow that second one method. Okay, then one more question. 2.727 divided by 0.9. So solution as well as the given question first of all we want to write, then decimal before and after, that means numerator and denominator both also have the decimal means the denominator we want to convey the normal number, whole numbers. Like normal means whole numbers. So how to convey denominator, how point after how many, that decimal point after how many numbers have, first you check. So point after only one numbers have, so 10 you keep means that is 10, So product of 10 in numerator and denominator. So 9 into 10 90. First of all you keep 0 that numerator, 1 into something something. So now you keep the point after 3 numbers have, so 3 numbers before you keep the point, denominator point after 1 number have, 1 numbers before you keep the point, this is meaningless. Okay, about 27.27 divided by 9. So as well as we want to divide, 27.27 divided by 9. So now you see to have the 9, no. So 2 numbers you take 27, 3 9s are 27, we know that 27 minus 27, 0. Then next numbers comes down 2. 2 have the 9, no, you keep 0 here, then comes down 3, 7. Again 27, how many times have the 9? 3. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27, 0. So outcome is 303. Now you see the given question have point after 1, 2. 2 numbers only. So 2 numbers 1, 2. 2 numbers before you keep the point means 3.03. That is the solution. Correct? 3.03. I hope you understood this. I think students, that last 4 classes we observe decimal addition, subtraction, multiplication, decimal also. Today we together to the formation we observe, So tomorrow homework 4 sums is given there, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also you should try. Okay, I hope you will finish these sums. Okay, thank you students.